Good afternoon, friends. My name is Sergey Krumchenko, and today I'm going to show you how to deal with invalid active developer path issue and why does it appear after every OS update lately. Let's go. So step number one, if you are getting this error, you need to type in xcode select install, and it will offer you to install xcode select command, actually command line developer tools. That's what we need to get installed. Click install. It's going to try to find the software, and it looks like we're going to have to wait for a while, and there is a possibility that somewhere on the middle of the download it will error out and say cannot find a server. But I will wait for a bit and I will let you know as soon as I have an update. Alright, so actually it wasn't that long and software was installed. It took me about 20 minutes. Let's give it a shot. Git status, not a Git repository. Perfect. That means Git works. There is just no Git repository. We can say Git init and it will initialize it using master. Anyways, it's been installed, so we are good to go. Thank you for your time. That's how we fix that issue. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a big fat thumb up, and leave a comment below if that did not actually fix your issue. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you next time.